In this video, we're going to show you how you can use Nowsite to find prospects that are interested in your business. What I'm going to do is click on the networking tool and then my prospects. And here I can enter a location. I can enter interests. I'm just going to put makeup here. You can enter any interest that you like. If you want to add industry, you can change the gender here. I'm going to put female. And you can change the preferred contact method. Here I'm going to choose email. I can add education, degree or major if I'd like to, or company. And here I can even choose my age range. Once I do, I click on Save Targeting, and then I can click on Get Prospect. Now you can see that I have an amazing prospect available to me right now. You can see that email address, phone number, the age range, the gender, industry, and that company says Face Painting Paradise. And you can even see here that interests are wedding makeup, prom makeup, makeup, cosmetics, and more. Now what I can do is I can save and view that contact. And here I can even enhance this contact right now. Once I enhance the contact, even more information shows up. I have their email address, phone number, Facebook, LinkedIn. You can see that they are from Utah and that their industry is cosmetics and their interests and hobbies. These are prospects that are interested in your business. And this is Nowsite. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.